How to play old versions of Minecraft. So first, just simply open up your Minecraft launcher and make sure that you have Java Edition selected. Now, once you're there, just simply click on Installations. And here you will need to click on New Installation here on the top. Then it will bring you right here. You could name it. You could name it anything if you want, but let's just first pick our version. And here you will see the version bar right here where you could change the version. Just simply click on it. And now when you scroll down right here, you will see all the old versions of Minecraft up to release 1.0 right here. And let's say I want to download or use the release 1.20.2 version, so just simply click on it. And once that's done, you could name it. I suggest that you name it the version that you've picked so that it will be easier. So I'm just gonna name it 1.20.2. Now once that's done, you could either pick a game directory, but the default one is fine for me. And now just simply click on create. And once that's done, you simply go back here on play and click here on the left side so that you see the versions of Minecraft. So click on it and now just simply pick the one that we've installed, which is 1.20.2. Then just simply click on play. And waiting on install, just need to simply wait for it. And now here it is downloading. And after that, it will close down and it will open up again. You just need to wait for it. As you can see, it is now opening up. Now we have the 1.20.2 version of Minecraft. And that's how you basically play old versions of Minecraft.